Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Java programming for beginners in mobile development. First, grasp fundamental Java concepts like variables, loops, and conditional statements. Next, install Android Studio, which bundles the necessary Java development kit. This powerful integrated development environment provides everything you need. Then, familiarize yourself with basic Android app components, including activities and layouts, which are crucial building blocks for any mobile application. This foundational knowledge will set you up for success. Once your environment is ready, focus on mastering core Java fundamentals. Dive into object-oriented programming, understanding concepts like classes, objects, inheritance, and polymorphism. These principles are vital for structuring complex applications. Explore Java collections, such as array lists and hash maps, to efficiently store and manipulate data. Additionally, learn about exception handling to gracefully manage errors and ensure your mobile applications are stable and reliable for users. Consistent practice is key here. Now, let's bridge Java with Android development. You'll learn to interact with the Android Software Development Kit using Java, accessing device features and services. Understand how to design user interfaces using XML layouts and then connect these visual elements to your Java code. This allows your app to respond to user interactions. Furthermore, implement common mobile features, such as making network requests to fetch data or storing information locally on the device, enhancing your app's functionality significantly. To truly solidify your learning, begin building practical projects. Start with simple applications, perhaps a basic calculator or a to-do list app, to apply your newfound knowledge. Leverage the vast array of online resources, tutorials, and developer communities for guidance and problem-solving. Consistent practice, through building and refining various projects, is the most effective way to become proficient. Aim to complete at least 3 to 5 small projects to gain confidence and practical experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.